Hello beautiful people, how are you doing today? Hope you all are in best of your health and fantabulous as always. So today in School for Elders, topic for discussion is um, I have read something today. I think this School for Elders is in universe, and people have actually started doing certain things for these elder population and for elder generation. Um, Today I was reading a news about, yes, it's a very good news in this pandemic when we are in lockdown. People are doing such good works also, which news channels are not highlighting. That's the reason you should never see that. Just read the headline. If you like the news, just open it, otherwise don't do that. So that's what I do. So today it was about elder population in Manipur. There is a one village which is situated in Manipur, and there people have started taking initiative to teach them how to read and write, this elder population, someone who has not been school, and many of them have never been school. So they just started reading and writing, and they just started learning and speaking English language also. Many of them are so excited that now we can read those scriptures, now I can read Bible, and the happiness which is there in their hearts, they wanted to do this from so long. I mean, it's such a simple thing, reading and writing, which people who go to school, and you don't have any idea that how much it means for someone who wanted to do that, who has never done this, right? There is so much of population, major number of population who cannot read and write in India, right? Because we know what happens to government schools, so I really don't want to take up and discuss about that. So in Manipur there is one lady who is 90 years. Do you know, she's 90 years, and she was so excited. She said, now I can read Bible also. I mean, isn't it amazing something? I mean, which she always wanted to do. She said, now I can read Bible also, now I can read certain scriptures. And there are so many people above 70, above 80 who were interested in reading and writing. There are regular students who are going, they are working in fields, still they are taking time out for their reading and writing, right? So why can't we start this initiative near our house? This is such a simple initiative, all of us can read and write, right? So if someone wants to learn how to read and write, we can actually start classes for such population who doesn't know how to read and write. I mean, maybe whatever language you are comfortable, whatever language you feel that you can do that for them, right? Isn't it a such good initiative, without having any capital, without having any we don't even need any money, we don't need much resources. It's just a blackboard and a marker, that's it. Sorry, whiteboard and a marker, right? So that's what is needed. So why can't we start this initiative of reading and writing for this elder population? So do check this out. You can search on Google about this Manipur village who are teaching reading and writing to this population, and it's amazing. School for Elders is such a dream come true, and I just want to thank all of you who are watching my videos. I'm so grateful. I got so emotional today when I have read a very beautiful uh, a beautiful comment. It's not on YouTube video, it's on my personal chat of WhatsApp. Someone whom I really respect, I really admired, has commented that I really got inspired that we should never donate to we should never do donations to all these celebrities, all these cricketers, all these maybe whosoever is actors, entertainers, whosoever is there. I mean, we should help local people whom we really know, right? That's how we can make world better. That's how we can make humanity better. And the real donations or real sharing is what Tatas are doing. You all must be aware that Tatas donate almost 90 to 95% or 99% at times of their wealth, whatever different institutes they have. They are group of Tata Group of Industries, right? So if they will gather all the wealth, it will exceed world's richest. They will be the world's richest people in the world, right? They will be the world's richest people. So but what they do, they just silently donate. it's not even donation, they just silently share their wealth. So that's what your sharing is. It's not a charity, it's not a donation, it's sharing. If you have received abundance from universe, from divine intelligence, you should always share it with someone and for their betterment. Sharing, we will discuss how we should do it. वो कहते हैं ना, वो फ्री में आपको सब कुछ देंगे बट एजुकेशन नहीं देंगे, क्योंकि एजुकेशन आपको सवाल उठाना सिखाती है, राइट, आपका IQ हाई करती है. सो यू शुड शेयर योर वेल्थ इन देयर अपलिफ्टमेंट. ठीक है, अभी फ़िलहाल के लिए आप उन्हें जो चीज़ें चाहिए आप उन्हें दे सकते हैं, राइट, मे बी रीसेंट ग्रॉसरीज और वेजिटेबल्स और वट एवर, बट जस्ट इनकरेज देम एंड मोटिवेट देम टू बी सेल्फ रिलायंट, राइट. उनको थोड़ी ऐसी शिक्षा दें कि आप ये काम कर सकते हैं. ऑल रिसोर्सेज आर इनसाइड देम. अगर आप उनको मोटिवेट करेंगे, इनकरेज करेंगे, उनको बोलो हमारे घर पे काम कर लो, आपको हम ये देंगे, राइट. सो उनको भी बेइज्जती नहीं लगेगी, राइट. दे वुड नॉट फील इंसल्टेड, दे वुड नॉट फील डाउन, दे वुड फील दैट येस आई एम डूइंग समथिंग एंड आई एम गेटिंग समथिंग इन रिटर्न. मे बी यू कैन गिव मोर मनी, राइट. इफ दे आर डूइंग अ वर्क ऑफ 100 रुपी, you can give them 1000 rupee, right. It should be like it should be that earned money, right. So you should motivate them and encourage them to work. It's not that they are having everything. I mean, Nick Vujicic is the best example which I can give here, and I will tell his story tomorrow. So today in School for Elders, just tell me how inspiring this Manipur people's story, and just do your sharing with the ones whom you personally know, and sharing should be the one which no one should be knowing. Even your other hand should not be knowing. If you have shared with this hand, your this hand should not be knowing, right. So that's how your sharing should be. It should not be publicized ever. Fine. So thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for watching me, and thank you all for all your subscribes, your likes. I'm highly grateful to you, and keep on sharing this thought in the universe. I'm so happy to see progressing this thought. I mean, people are actually doing it, implementing it. So take care. See you. Bye bye.